So I want to kind of go over this case that I built for WLPC and the ODroid maker session that we'll be having. It's to kind of replace this case, which as you can see is a little flimsy. So we went ahead and 3D printed a case that'll be a little bit more secure, a little stronger, and look a little nicer. I've already attached the board to this plate, so there, and then I've kind of got some nuts on there to keep it from falling off. So the first piece is to, attach this. This is to keep the screen from folding down, and we reattach the screen like so. Then you have that nice and in there. Then we go ahead and take this front piece. All of this stuff was printed in small pieces. Really the only supports were needed were for this piece right here, because I printed it all as one piece. But if people wanted to, they could get rid of those if they didn't want to have to deal with supports. Then this snaps in like so. Adjust that. Then you make sure your holes are lined up. Actually, what I'll show you is what I've also done is put some, they're called Easy Locks. They're M3 threads that you can insert into wood and plastic. So it helps us to hide, so you get the screw holes in the top. Then, so we realign that like so. Let me take the battery top, and we make sure we line it up to the right way. Like so. Then we add our screws. These are 40mm M3s. You could probably get away with 35s. In fact, in future I will probably use 35s. Just because the 40s are long and they're nice for rigidity, but they're a little unnecessary. And you might actually take them through the top of the case if you tighten it too far down. And take our handy dandy Allen wrench. Screw it in. Oops. Nice thing about this is it's separate pieces, so you can print it in multiple colors, so you can get flashy with it if you wanted to. Alright. Probably see if I can, in iMovie, fast forward this. So. Alright, as you can see, it's now secure. And locked into place, like so. Could probably tighten it down a little more. Alright, and we take the battery. So you have it like so. Nice little latch right in here for making it so the battery can slide in easily. And doesn't go anywhere. Then we've made some additional changes. As you can see here, the battery is lit up. You have your access to it, as well as you have access to your power slot. Some changes that were made where I did not like the original cable, so I ordered a small right angle cable. So we can go ahead and insert that there. Oh, first, before we plug this in, I also wanted to have a little more flexibility with the NIC, so I went ahead and got this little flexible angle that will allow me to go ahead and change angles with it. Then go ahead, plug it in like so, and wait for the power. Ta-da! There you go.